Good morning, friends. Today's topic is Chaucer's Art of Characterization. So let's begin. Chaucer, the father of English poetry, was a master of characterization, particularly event in his most famous work, The Canterbury Tales. His ability to create vivid, memorable characters who feel both real and timeless is a testament to his skill as a writer. Key techniques of Chaucer's characterizations. Direct characterization. Chaucer directly describes the physical appearance, personality traits, and social status of his characters. This provides the reader with a clear initial understanding of each pilgrim. For example, he describes the wife of Bath as bold of face and fair and red of hue. Indirect characterization. Through the characters' speech, thoughts, actions, and interactions with others, Chaucer reveals their personalities in a more subtle way. The partner's lengthy sermon, for instance, exposes his greed and hypocrisy. Humor and satire. Chaucer uses humor and satire to both entertain and criticize the characters. The summoner's physical description and bawdy humor highlights his moral failings. Social commentary. Chaucer's characters are not merely individuals but also representatives of their social class and profession. The parson, for example, is a virtuous and pious clergyman, while the friar is corrupt and self serving. Individuality within types. While Chaucer's characters are often recognizable types, he also imbues them with unique qualities that distinguish them from others. The knight, for instance, is a chivalrous ideal, but his simple and modest demeanor sets him apart from other noblemen. The impact of Chaucer's characterization. Chaucer's characters have had a lasting impact on literature. They are complex, multifaceted, and often contradictory, reflecting the complexity of human nature. His ability to create such realistic and memorable characters has made the Canterbury Tales a beloved classic that continues to resonate with readers centuries later. In conclusion, Chaucer's art of characterization is a masterful blend of direct and indirect techniques, humor and satire, and social commentary. His characters are both individuals and types, making them relatable and timeless. Through his vivid portrayals, Chaucer has left an enduring legacy in the history of literature. Thanks. Thanks for